Okay. Hi, we're the Tutorial Twins, and today we'll be making homemade butter and honey butter. So we need the materials to make butter is heavy cream, salt, and a jar, and a spoon to whip it up. And to make honey butter, you need heavy cream, jar, honey, and then vanilla extract. First, are going to pour some heavy cream into your jar. You're gonna close your jar, make sure it's tightly compacted. Now you're going to shake up your jar till you start feeling it get heavier and heavier. And like a big little clump. This might take about 20 to 15 minutes. All I know is that this is fat from cow's milk that comes to the top. Also, you could use a whipper either. It's also a butcher because it does the same thing.
Churner.
A churner. Oops. Watch my muscles. Bouncy, bouncy. I feel like I filled a chunk, but it's So you don't need to put a timer necessarily. You want to just make sure that it really depends on how much you're shaking it at a time. Yeah, nah, bruh. Yeah, wow, she's strong. One of these thingies. You could do it in this either, but we want to do it in jars just for the fun of it, so.
Why are you willing to work your arms really hard instead of just using the actual machine?
Because then not both of us gonna use that. Also, it's gonna be funner. Also, look at my awesome shirt, bro. Funner's not a word. Funner's not a word. Yes, it is. They added a dictionary like last year or something. It's true, but it's told us. Our teacher. I'm gonna check mine out. Ooh, okay, so that looks starting to look heavier. Yeah. Okay, here we go.
There's no music that is gonna make that better.
You want to keep on shaking. Just add the music and...
Alexa, play music to shake.
Here's a playlist you might like. Relaxing New Age on music.
Look at that. Let's see. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, now we got this going. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. The mom's coming. Oh, my. Like, wow, use that right. Yes, definitely use that.
Use what?
That. We're sorry, Mommy. It looks like cream. Okay, so keep on shaking, woman. Keep on shaking. It's like cream almost. Mine is cream right now. Look. So it's not moving around much, and I thought it was done, but it's not.
It separates the milk, the fat from the milk.
Look, oh yeah, this is called buttermilk. Look, you guys, it's butter. I'm gonna now add my honey. Are you supposed to add salt?
No, if you're gonna do the honey, no.
I'm gonna add some, about a little bit of honey at this point. Butter. To taste it to try it out. That much honey to start off. Then you add a little bit. You can even take the lid and just like a cup.
Just about a teaspoon.
I'm gonna add more honey. So you want to add salt to give it the flavor and preserve it, like how you have it in room temperature. You want to preserve it with the salt first of all, and it gives it the flavor. Okay. Make sure you have a cup next to you. We didn't know there was going to be extra. Yes, we did. I did. I didn't know there was going to be any milk. Also, make sure your hands are clean.
Don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it.
So if you just take a little bit of it. Before you add all your salt, you want to make sure you don't add too much, like just a tiny sprinkle at a time. Tastes like butter to me. And I think mine could use just a little more salt. Oh, I didn't say that. Here's the result. It's a jar of honey. Butter. Honey butter. Ended up more like a soft thing. So you can always just put this back in the fridge. Mine tastes fine and mine looks fine. Way better than hers. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.